Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. This is our second video of class 4th Mulberry. In our previous video, I have explained you lesson number 1, that is Pippi goes to the circus. I have given you some homework also, and I think that you all must have completed your homework. So now in today's video, we will be doing our exercise. But before starting the exercise part, I want to ask you that have you read the lesson? If you have not read the lesson till now, then you should read it at least 2 times before starting the exercise part. Okay, so now let's start our exercise. So the first one that I am going to discuss with you are the word meanings. So the first word that is given in your textbook is clutching. It means holding something. Second word is troll. It means an ugly creature. It can either be giant or a dwarf. Third one is milestone. It means a large round stone used for grinding grain. Fourth one is marvelous. It means extremely good. Next is tights. It means a piece of clothing similar to trousers that you wore. Then swishing means moving quickly. Okay, so these are the word meanings. Now let's move to our exercise part, that is quick answers. First one is match the columns to get complete sentences. Okay, so now in this the first one is when Tommy and Anika invited Pippi to go to the circus, she wasn't sure because its answer is second one, this. She didn't know what a circus was. Okay, so you have to write here A. Now, second, this B part. Tommy told Pippi a circus was fun because its answer is this first one. There were horses and clowns and people that walked the tight rope. So you have to write here B. Now C part. When Anika told Pippi that a circus cost money, so its answer is this one. Fifth one. Pippi said that she was as rich as a troll. Okay, so you have to write here C. Now D is when Tommy explained to Pippi that it cost money to look at a circus. Its answer is this third one. She thought that even looking at things around her cost money. So you have to write here D. Now E part. When Pippi was at the circus, so its answer is this fourth one. She thought that someone had been careless to leave sawdust on the ground. Okay, so these are the answers of match the following and you can write it in your textbook. Okay, now let's move to our question answer part, that is refer to context. In this first question is clutching it tightly in their hands, they rushed over to Pippi's. Okay, so this sentence is from your lesson that clutching it tightly in their hands, they rushed over to Pippi's. So based on this line, this sentence, some questions are given to you. This A, B and C question. And you have to answer these questions, refer to this sentence that is given to you. So I have written, I will show you the answers here. Who rushed over to Pippi? So you have to write Tommy and Anika rushed over to Pippi. Okay. Now second B part is what were they clutching? B portion is what were they clutching, means what were they holding in their hands. So its answer is they were clutching money. Now, let's move to our next question. Question number third is, what word would you use to describe how they were feeling? So its answer is excited or eager. Now, the second sentence that is given to you from the context is, on a platform nearby, the circus band suddenly began to play a thundering march. So the first question based on this sentence is, who had gone to the circus? I have explained you the lesson. So who had gone to the circus? Pippi, Tommy and Anika. Okay. Now question number B. Where were they sitting? So its answer is, they were sitting right next to the ring. Okay. They were sitting right next to the ring. Now next question is, what happened as soon as the march started? So its answer is, as soon as the march started, the curtains was drawn aside and the ringmaster in a black frock coat came running into the ring followed by a black horse. Okay, so you can write the answer from here. Now the next sentence that is given to you is, but the ringmaster didn't laugh. Now based on this sentence, question number A is, who laughed? Why did they laugh? So its answer is, the audience laughed because they thought it was funny to see Miss Carmencita held against her will by a youngster who stood there on the horse back. Okay. Now, next question is, why do you think that the ringmaster didn't laugh? So its answer is, the ringmaster didn't laugh because Pippi was spoiling his show. Okay. Now, question number C. What did the ringmaster do next? Answer is, the ringmaster turned towards an attendant and made a sign to him to go and stop the horse. Okay. So these were the answers of these questions. You have to complete this work in your notebook, and before starting the question answer you have to write down the word meaning. So first write the word meanings in your notebook and then write these question answers. And your homework is that you have to learn all these exercises that I have given you today. You have to learn these exercises, and next exercise we will start in our next video. Thank you.